Hey, let me show you how we can improve the battery life of your Jabra Elite 8 Active, and we've got actually few methods. The first one, we are going to focus on the sound modes. So if you don't need to get the noise cancellation or this hear through, just turn it off. Just remember to only use it when you really need it. So for example, if you are on the gym, it's actually really worth to activate the noise cancellation, but when you are actually out of the gym, it's actually recommended to turn it off. The sound modes actually drain the battery. Next, from this, click on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and now go into the headset settings. Then go to the general, and from this, get the sleep mode, turn it on, and set it for 15 minutes. After this time, the device is going to sleep mode, basically when you don't use them. So there's like difference between 15 and 30 minutes. And also it's recommended to turn off this headset voice guidance. So also you don't receive any notifications, the voice notifications. It will actually save your battery. And this is it, my few tips how you can try to improve the battery level on this device. Right now, please subscribe.